In this video, we will show how to configure the navigation buttons. We will need to add navigation buttons from the toolbox. Scroll down until you reach the Display Navigation group. Click on Go to Display. Draw a rectangle for the Go to Display button. The button Properties window will pop up. Click the display name ellipsis. Select Display Second. Click OK. Click on the Label tab. Enter the button caption. Click OK to finish. Draw a second rectangle. Just like before, a Properties window will appear. Click the display name ellipsis. Select Display Third. Click OK. Click on the Label tab. Enter the button caption. Click OK to finish. Double-click Third to open that display. Add a Go to Display button. At this point, you already know the steps. Select Main for the destination. Click OK. Enter Go to Main as the caption. Click OK to finish. Now let's add a Return to Display button. Notice we don't need to select the destination. Click on the Label tab. Enter caption Return. Click OK to finish. Double-click Second to open it. Because this is an on-top display, we should use a Close button. Click on the Label tab. Enter Close as the caption. Click OK to finish. Now let's close and save our edits. Click X to close the display. Click Yes to confirm. Let's do the same for the other display.